Nag-start ako basketball, grade 2 ako sa high school dito sa may Marikina. And growing up, kumbaga, yung environment ko, basketball na talaga. Kasi yung father ko at yung lolo ko, into basketball na talaga sila. So, yun talaga yung nakalakihan ko na. And nagtuloy-tuloy na.
So when I was probably around 11 or 12, I have a cousin, his name is Trevor Dunbar. So, before he was kind of famous and stuff like that, and I moved in with my father, and I think as a kid, I kind of didn't know what to do, and I was probably a little insecure. I was kind of skinny, and growing up, in America, we're told oh, it's like this beautiful place and stuff like that, but it's not that at all. Sometimes you get ostracized or you get outcast. So for me, I guess, I started playing at 12, and to kind of help me maybe make friends and get accepted. For me, that was probably the biggest thing, and I think it's definitely helped build my character, and over time was something I like to do. So that's how I got started, man.
I started basketball when I was 12 years old. Dati kasi nakita lang ako before sa Antipolo, Batangas din. Yung dad ko, yung boss ng dad ko, yung boss ng dad ko, may alam sa basketball. So, pinunta ako dati sa San Benildo with Coach Ian Coronel sa Antipolo. Then, after that, na-recruit ako ng LSGH. Then, sa CSB na after.
Nagsimula akong maglaro ng basketball idol siguro nung third year high school or second year high school. Idol, late ko lang na realize na parang makakatulong pala yun sa pag-aaral basketball na gusto ko. Alam mo yun, parang akala ko dati parang laro-laro lang siya. Kaya yun, siguro nung third year ako parang nagka-interest na akong maglaro. Kasi nga, parang paghahanda na rin, di ba?
I started playing basketball when I was 8 years old. Then start yung sa maliit na bola lang. And as time goes by, natuto. Nagkaroon ako ng chance na nagkaroon ng formal na training under Coach Brian Berano Makati. Also, assistant coach siya dati kay Coach Chris Carmen sa JRU Light Bombers. Nagtuturo pa siya sa JRU. So, yun po.